Hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika, and I have an unboxing from the Happy Planner. So the Happy Planner recently just came out with the box, a special box that they do, and this collab was Teresa Collins with Happy Planner. And when I seen the box, when I tell you guys I fell in love with it, my planner sister, she tagged me, we have been talking about it, we literally woke each other up and was like, girl, get the box. So we made sure we got the box, and we were that dedicated. It was 1 day shipping, and I realized because Happy Planner is literally, their warehouse is like 30 minutes away from me, no wonder I was able to get it so fast. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm just covering my address, and when I tell you guys, like, she was like, Mika, you gotta see what you gotta open your box. I was like, I gotta record it. But I'm super excited to see what is all in this box. Now I'm gonna bring you guys up just a little bit more so you guys can see what is all in this box. Girl, I don't even want to mess up the paper. Did I do it? Did I do it? Oh, I'm good. I did not mess up the paper. Now I will say this box was $50. They did do a 20% off, so your girl did save some money. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I did go ahead and show a preview of it. So you do get Happy Planner times Teresa Collins, and you get everything to see what's in this box. And when I tell you guys everything was worth it in here for the price, I was like, girl, I gotta get my hands on this box. And this is the second box that they've done. They did come out with the makeup bag that you could put your pencils in or your accessories for your planner, and it says make your dreams happen. And I really did like this, and everything in this box, I was like, I love it. Like, it's black and gold. I love the black theme, so I had to have it. Now something else they gave you, and these are actually pins. I thought they were buttons. No, they're stickers. I thought they were buttons or pins, and they're actually stickers in here, and they're super cute. You guys see this? Like, so cute. You could put these on your cover. You could add these to like cards or anything. So I did like that. And then they give you this envelope to put in your planner, which I think is so cute. So you can basically create your own planner and put this in here, and I thought this was so cute to hold receipts, to hold stickers or anything. And then you get 3 of the washi, which I don't use a lot of washi anymore, which I should, but you get your 3. So you get I am enough, be you, be brave, be you. So be you, be bold, be brave. And then you get your floral. So I am going to use this in a planner video. And then you get your stickers. So I got these stickers in here. It's the Be Happy box, and it's just a collab with Teresa. I'm not sure if they're ever going to release this in store. I never see them do anything like that as far as releasing the boxes in store, but I'm just going to give you a flip through of what these stickers are. And if you want a more detailed review, I will post a couple of ladies that did have a couple of unboxings, and they'll give a very detailed review on the stickers. And then you do get a notepad where you say get it done, and you can set your goals for the week, things to do. And it's Monday through Sunday, which I think is so good. You can use this in the office or just in your personal at home life. So I thought that was really cute. This box is like everything I know I would use. You also get your today note sheets, and it starts as early as 6 a.m. and it ends at 10. I usually don't do time blocks when I am planning. Maybe at work, but not even at work. And then you have your main focus to do, and then you can write out what you're grateful for. I don't use that, so I'm not sure how will I use these, but this is something to definitely think about. And you get a planner. So your planner is the Stay Focused and Extra and Sparkly. And you figure their planners alone go for about $35–50. So you do get your planner in here, and it's the Teresa Collins collab. I do like that you get a classic Happy Planner with it, and you just get, it's like a journaling. So you get for the week your goals for the week, which you get your goals for the week. One area I would like to thrive in little things that bring joy, bring me joy, simple ways I can be kinder to others, and intentions for the week. So I do like that. And this is just a journal, which I completely like it gives you time to sit down and write out things in your journal, and this is really, really cute. So I'm definitely going to use this because I am big on journaling this year. And you do have your gold ringlets. These are stickers, you guys. My friend was sending me pictures and she was like, girl, these are stickers. So these are super cool. You could add this to your planner. It says, I'm enough, be you, not them. And then I love this one. Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to be. Wake up and be her. So super, super cute. A lot of inspirational, a lot of woman stuff. Some other things. Let me see. Is there anything in here? Nope. You do get a mug, and when I tell you they packed this box like to the T. So you get a very cute mug, and it says, this is a reminder you can handle whatever this week throws at you. So cute, so inspirational, so cute, so cute. So I will be drinking my coffee out of that mug. And that is it. That was it for this box. I truly love this box. This box was well worth it for the $50. I would definitely post a link to this box if it's still available down below. Shout out to Happy Planner and Teresa Collins for this collab. I really do like it. It's all about women and just empowering and being inspirational. Until then, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.